Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titinan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong June 2024. Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Link on the description and sa pinned comment kung gusto niyo mag-book. Okay. Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Virgo. What's up? Mga in a relationship. So, ibig sabihin may commitment kayo. Okay. You have the 8 of Cups. Okay. Someone is walking away. Or, tinan pa natin. 9 of Wands. Meron ditong nagtitiis sa kanyang relationship. So, maaring ikaw to na you tried your best na i-work out ang isang relationship, but it seems na your person might be falling below your expectations. So, meron kang expectation sa person mo na dapat ganito siya, ganyan siya, ito yung ma-deliver niya sa relationship, ito yung magagawa niya sa inyong relationship. But it seems na parang ikaw na lang yung lumalaban dito, no? So, ngayon, gusto mo na ikaw naman, sarili mo naman, it's time for you to take care of yourself. Ilan pa natin? What is the 8 of Cups? You have the 6 of Cups. Pwede itong person na to pabalik-balik sa buhay mo, no? Yeah, pwedeng may cycle, paulit-ulit. Mag-aaway, mag-break, magkakabalikan, and then same issue. Akala mo magbabago, pero hints. Hindi pala. You have the 7 of Swords. OMG, this person is, maaring you're dealing with someone na liar, cheater, ganyan, or may mga bagay na itinatago sa'yo, mga gawain na akala niya makakalusot siya kasi lagi mo siyang pinagbibigyan. What is the Queen of Pentacles? 6 of Swords. You are moving on. Kahit mahirap para sa'yo. Alam mo yung tipong you are showing the world na you are doing well, I mean, you're okay, pero deep within you, you are struggling. Of course, dahil mahirap naman yun, di ba, na pinilit mo na ipaglaban, pero parang ang hirap naman na maging successful sa isang situation na ikaw na lang yung lumalaban, and then yung isa, parang wala na talagang pakialam. Pwede kasing matagal na kayo sa relationship and ikaw nanghihinayang ka na rin. You have invested a lot in this relationship. What is the 7 of Pentacles? And the 2 of Swords. Yeah. It is difficult. No? Mahirap para sa'yo yung decision na yan. Kaya lang, you feel like this is the best thing to do. Lalo na kung wala, nasira na talaga yung tiwala. Kasi parang matagal na no? Paulit-ulit. You want to move on and move forward. 3 of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, lalayo pa talaga. Oh. Alam mo, hindi naman lahat magre-resonate dito, but some of you, pwedeng may involvement ng baby rito. No? Pwedeng may nabuntis, nakabuntis. And you feel like, para kasing, okay, yung iba, maaring, akala nyo, pag nagka-baby kayo, yun na may magbabago sa person na to. Okay? Pero, mas lumala siya. Oo. Mahirap kasi pag ang tao masyado ng, pinipilit. It's time naman na mag-focus ka naman sa sarili mo. Okay, let's see what else. So, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, ibig sabihin, this is not your reading. Okay? Oh my God. Oh, may triangle. Oh, may cheating. It's crowded relationship. So, this is also time for you to make a choice. Maaring itong person mo ay may iba ring nagugustuhan. Or, pwedeng reversal yung roles dito, Virgo, ha? Kasi pwedeng ikaw rin yung merong iba nagugustuhan and you feel like you tried na ayusin yung relationship ninyo pero talagang kanya-kanya na kayo eh. Oh my G. Oh, someone is very controlling. Pag sa relationship, masyado talaga nakakasakal. Ano yan? Mahirap i-keep ang isang relasyon na maaring merong narcissistic na player sa relationship. So, maaring ikaw or the person that you're dealing with. So, ngayon, you are taking back your power. You are releasing this person. Na parang feeling mo, wala ka na talagang magawa. Kasi nagawa mo na lahat. Na-exhaust mo na. Lahat ng mga posibleng sa tingin mo ay dapat mo nang gawin para ma-save ang relationship. But this person ay maaring may ibang priorities. Okay, let's see yung feelings ng person mo towards you. Ano yung feelings ng person mo? I miss you. Let's both stop running away. O, namimiss ka daw niya. Alam mo, ito yung tipo na kapag namimiss ka niya, kukulitin ka, guguluhin ka, parang gusto lahat ipangako sa'yo. Pero kapag meron siyang ibang inaasikaso, nakakalimutan ka niya. So, how about your feelings? Ano yung feelings ng feelings mo towards your person? My ego is fragile to criticism and rejection. I've created walls to protect myself. Yes, you are setting your boundaries with this person. Pwede ring kasi yun, compatibility talaga yun, no? Oo. Maaring sa part mo, medyo sensitive ka rin. Case-to-case basis kasi syempre kung masyado ng paulit-ulit yung ginagawa ng person na to na hindi mo naman talaga nagugustuhan na, what's the point kung pagbibigyan mo pa? What's the point of giving this person a chance, 'di ba? Kung wala namang pinagbago. Oh my God. Take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. Yeah, I feel like you've been giving this person a chance, pero parang lagi niyang sinisira yung chance na yon. But of course, it doesn't mean na just because naging mahirap itong relationship mo with this person, it doesn't mean na hindi ka na maniniwala sa pag-ibig sa susunod na panahon, no? It's a learning process for you, no? Take this as a learning experience para sa inyo to become a better version of yourself when it comes to relationship. I-take note mo na rin kung ano yung mga bagay na like red flags pagdating sa relationship. Kasi I think, trinay mong ayusin talaga. But there is someone here na nakikigulo sa inyong relationship. So, yeah. That is your reading para sa mga in a relationship na Virgo. Now, let's go to mga single. Mga single na Virgo. So, hindi lahat ng single gusto ng relationship, no? Yung iba, gusto lang magpahinga, gusto lang enjoy ang kanilang kalayaan. So, let's see. Energies ng mga single. Virgo, meron bang parating? May parating bang person sa buhay nila? Virgo singles. Oh my God, Seven of Swords. The Hermit. Mhm. Pwedeng ano, ayun nga, Virgo, energy nyo. The Lovers. Okay. So, medyo mag-ingat, Virgo. Okay, of getting into a relationship, make sure that you are ready at kinilala mo tong taong to before getting into a relationship. Because with the Seven of Swords, possible that this person is maaring meron siyang trust issues or parang meron siyang sketchy na intentions towards you. Oo, maaring merong person na guguluhin ang iyong katahimikan. Kaya lang baka may in love ka dito sa person na to. And you will expect a lot from this person. Hinay-hinay lang. I mean, still, it's your life. See? New relationship coming in with the Justice card. It's about rethinking the situation. Pag-aaralan mo, i-analyze mo, check mo yung pros and cons. But kasi pag na-in love tayo, nawawala yung mga pros and cons na yan. Minsan kahit may red flag, sige, push pa rin. Oo. So, yeah. Take precaution lang with this new person coming into your life. Or maaring kilala mo na ito ngayon. Andyan na, umaali-aligid. But, kilalanin mo muna talaga. Yeah, the heart of the matter, there is more going on than meets the eye. So, deeper na pagkakilala sa tao. Huwag mong masyadong madaliin yung relationship. Take it easy. Kasi kung tong taong to seryoso talaga, willing to wait yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye!